almost like empty, so time to get the new one. So I'm gonna go ahead and using probably in the index one. I love this, it's so cute, the size is perfect. If you have your clients or yourself, love the shorter length, this is going to be perfect. So many requests for this size, for so many, like I wish you have this, I wish that Glitz has this, in whatever size that you are having in your mind and you want it to happen. Don't hesitate to let us know. I've been so excited, a lot of you are so happy. So I'm not floating, you know, white top coat. This is gonna give you definitely of a triples of benefits. First, it's gonna get the, when you finish, it's gonna be done, so no tacky layer at all, so then you don't have to worry about getting around with your crystals or it's with charm chains at all, and you can able to place any of a crystal or the designs you want. And then second, it's gonna give it a double of the adhesions when you are placing your crystals, and it's gonna give it its really strong like adhesion, and it's holding it. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Maybe I should do this one in like whole thing. So really easy when you are doing the dragon scale. Only you need, I always start with the spine first. So if you are doing it from the side left to the right, you can definitely do that as well. But for you, it's like, if just in case that you're like, I don't know where to start from the middles first, and then you can work all the way follows on the side. So now with 1 2 3 4, line them up. Next we're gonna go to the left. You can do the left and the right at the same time if you want to, so then that way it give you kind of a vision of it. So I'm gonna place it right there. Cute, is it cute? So adorable. I'm gonna check on this side to make sure. All right, have I? Can you get me the crystal cube? The AB right there. So SS. I'm gonna get some of my SS. So you don't, if you like it like that, you can stop right there. Don't go further if you don't want to. But I'm gonna get some of the smaller filler, because remember this one is so cute and the perfect size, not too long. I mean, it's a short size, so I'm gonna using like kind of a SS3. So if you want to get a perfect fillers on your smaller edges, hello Pandora, hello Victoria, thanks so much for tuning in. I usually lock it between the like 2 scale. Cool. Can you see it from your end?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Okay.
And then sometimes when you have the clients have their rings fingers and then index fingers are the same side, you can swap it, you know, like mix and match. All right, I'm gonna flash gear this one for 30 seconds. We're gonna do full gear, but when we're done to all 5 nails. So it's really easy. So 1